Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we have a very impromptu, unplanned unboxing. However, I am very excited to show you this because even now when I was just looking online, I feel like there's no reviews on this on YouTube unless I'm just searching up the wrong handbag in general. But it is currently 4:16 p.m. on a Friday. It's after work. I probably look so beat. Excuse the lighting too because it's so overcast in Vancouver. I don't even know because I'm filming on my phone because my camera's dead because like I said, I was not planning on filming anything. However, I was at Holt Renfrew downtown, so I was downtown anyway, so I dropped by. I did have a gift card to Holt Renfrew, so I thought maybe there's something that I want. And there was. So I ended up getting a new Longchamp bag. So here she is. The person helping me was so sweet and so kind. She just kind of threw it in the bag, or in this little shopping bag for me though, so she didn't even wrap any of it. The Holt Renfrew in Vancouver is the only place where anyone can buy Longchamp unless you buy it online, and they've totally revamped it. So they actually have a little section now with a wall for the Longchamp bags, kind of like you would see if you were in store at, say, like an actual Longchamp store or like other department stores. I know that they have it set up on the wall. If you're in Vancouver, go and check out the new Longchamp section because now it just looks a little bit more professional and just not so scattered. And I feel like you can actually see handbags because they're on display as opposed to, like I said before, they literally just had it sort of like sitting on a rack. But they also had this new energy pouch, which I've never seen before. You know, I love my little Longchamp pouch here. I used it when I was in Mexico. It's just like the perfect little bag to take down to the pool, but also to use when you're walking around. The new energy tote, I'll insert some clips because I did take some video. The new energy pouch is larger. I was actually tempted in getting it. I just didn't like the color. If they had it in black, I probably would have. It's a little bit larger and all around, so like the width as well as the height of it and then the depth of it. So if this is too small for you, definitely check out the energy pouch. I also had the new spring collection with the gingham print. Like I said, I'm so tired. And those are really cute with the artichokes, but I didn't need another one of these, even though they're so tempting. The next one I get would be the larger size in the energy pouch. However, this is from the energy line. So I believe that prior to this line, it was the Neo line that they discontinued, and then they started bringing out the energy bags. I do have a video from probably, I want to say like 4 years ago, where I unboxed one of the energy totes in the small size, and I ended up returning that one. But this one, it had a crossbody strap. This one I do really like. And like I said, I was looking online and I see no reviews on this. So on TikTok there is, but on YouTube I couldn't find anything. So like I mentioned, this is the energy tote in the large size. I know that they have a large with the crossbody strap, but I thought that this one was so nice. So what drew me to this one is that obviously it's black on black, so it has the black nylon as well as the black leather, the black handles, but it also has silver hardware. And for most of the traditional Longchamp, unless you get the green line, it's always going to have the gold or the brassy hardware. I also did really like this part here. So as you can see, it just says Longchamp, and then I believe that this just makes it really waterproof when you have this kind of rubberized coating here on the zipper, and I do really like that. I like that this one is a little bit more like minimal because it doesn't have the contrasting color that it typically has with the brown traditional Longchamp handbags. And then it also has, like I said, the silver hardware. It has this little zipper pull, but when I saw this, I thought it was so nice. So I thought I would do a quick sort of review between this one as well as the other ones I have. So this, like I said, is in the large size. This is $395. So the original ones are, I believe, $215. So this one's about double the price, but I feel like it's worth it. So if you take a look at the inside, let me open the handbag up. And like I said, this is the large size. Now, what the person was saying that was helping me was that this one doesn't fold up like the traditional Longchamp handbags. I actually had this large one folded up so you can see the creases. So these are the two sizes. I will leave the dimensions down below, but I think that this large size in the energy tote might be slightly bigger. Ignore what I just said because I just checked the website and they are the exact same dimension. So here they are side by side. Obviously this one is a little bit more wrinkled. Now what the person was also telling me at the Longchamp section was that this material is a lot more durable, and she said, you know, like feel both of them. So she put them side by side and there definitely is a difference. They're both made from polyamide. However, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this up close, but let me see if this will work. Hope you can see the difference up close. This is the original. As you can see, the nylon here, the stitching is really kind of fine, whereas this new one, you can definitely see it. You can almost see the stitching, how it's a little bit different. It also feels different, so it's hard to show you. This one is really pliable and really soft, and again, you can see the stitching there is like really fine, whereas this one, you can definitely see it, and this one is a lot thicker. It doesn't fold as easy, so there definitely is a difference in quality. This one also, the original one that I have, has a sheen to it, whereas this one is more of that matte color. So the fabric of this one, I can tell, is a lot better. You were able to see the difference between the two fabrics, but this one also does weigh more, the energy tote, whereas this one is lighter. So online, I believe this is about 100 grams more. I mean, it's not significantly heavier. It's still a very light handbag, but I guess because the fabric is thicker and a little bit more durable, that you are gonna have that excess weight with this new energy tote bag. And like I said, this is in the large size, so the difference on the inside as well. So I have, like I said, the green line in the large size, but I also have the original in the medium size. I have the backpack, I have this little mini, and then I also have this burgundy one, which is the larger, no, this is the small travel size bag. I have not used this one yet because since I bought it, I have not traveled anywhere, but I do have quite a few different Longchamp bags. Both of the original Pliages also have just one pocket on the inside. At least the newer styles do. I think the older styles had two pockets, but this one just has one large pocket on the inside, and then it is coated with this fabric there. The energy tote has one large pocket on the inside, and the fabric is also different. So the fabric is monochromatic, so it has the black on the inside. So it has one large pocket there, and then it also has one pocket here on the front. So I think it's like the original Le Pliage where it had the two pockets. Now she said I can't fold this, but I feel like you can. You should be able to, right? Because it has like that pocket. I don't know. We'll see. If you know, please let me know. Some other small differences that I noticed were the tabs here. Again, these are both the large size. This tab on the energy line is bigger than this tab here as well. You can see the size difference between the two little zipper pulls. This one is a little bit of a different design on the energy tote, and then this is the original. I'm probably holding it in a way that you can't really see it, but this is the original, and then this is the energy line, and the energy line obviously has this additional pull tab there, which is nice. And then again, the zipper is also going to be different, but everything else pretty much looks the same. I think the only other difference is here with the green line, it has the little Longchamp logo there, where I believe with the original, this one here, it doesn't have it. So the green line has that additional Longchamp logo, whereas this one here just has the one logo on the front leather part, but then it also has this little rubberized Longchamp logo on the side of the bag on the left hand side. But other than that, I mean, I think what will be good is that the edges will wear a little bit better. And then here's my backpack in the green line, so that's why it has the matching leather to nylon. But this fabric is just, I can see a huge difference between the two fabrics. This is just so much more pliable and kind of smushy, whereas this one, like I said, tends to have a little bit more structure. So I don't think you need a organizer for this one. Between these two, the original, but this is the green line, so the original Longchamp Le Pliage versus the energy style, I definitely recommend this one. I think that this one's just going to be way more durable. I know that it's about $200 more, at least here in Canada, but I think it's going to be worth it in the end. I do like how it's waterproof up there. The fabric difference is crazy. So if you have a chance to go and take a look at the difference, I think that this one for sure is just better made with better quality fabric is what I'm trying to say. So if I could go back in time, I probably, these were both available, I wouldn't have purchased this original one. I definitely would have purchased this new one. But I will show you what fits inside it. It obviously does fit laptop, but I have my work bag here, which is just my Want Liz Essentials. It's pretty full right now, so let me just quickly show you. This is one of my new organizers that I got. I will show this in an upcoming haul, but this is the collab with Adidas and Farm Rio. It's just a really fun print. This is actually can convert into a little crossbody, but I'm just using it as a handbag organizer because it has so much space. As you can see, it has tons of pockets, and then one is a zippered pocket, and then the inside also has compartments as well. So it just keeps everything really nice and organized, but compared to a traditional handbag organizer, it's pretty slim. So I really like that. So let's put this one in. And then I also had my Anine Bang sweatshirt in there. I had just a plain tote bag. I always take these little shopping bags around with me. And then I had an empty file, and everything is obviously fitting in. I should hold it at a better angle. I have a Coke Zero, and then I also have a beanie, and I have my work keys as well with me. So it obviously all fits in, but what I like about this one is, do you see how it doesn't sag? So with the traditional Le Pliage, you get that sag on the bottom and you have to use a bag organizer, but because this one is a more durable fabric and it's a stiffer fabric, you don't get that sag, which I love. It's a huge thing. If that drives you crazy about the original Longchamp Le Pliage, then the energy tote is just for you. So I love this. It's just such a nice tote bag. So here is the original, and as you can see, I tried to place everything the exact same that I put in the new energy tote, and you can see the crease here and how it's beginning to sag down a little bit, and you can see how it also kind of loses its shape a little bit more because it has a thinner type of fabric. So it's a very different style. I think if you're someone that likes these totes but doesn't necessarily want to use one of the handbag, like the organizers inside of it, that this is just way better. I like this one way more. That's basically what I'm trying to say. So that's everything. I hope that you found this helpful. Please leave me any comments down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.